In January 2014, the beautiful island nation of friendship and golden smiles, Kingdom of Bahrain witnessed the birth of vibrant equipment hiring company, MAP Rental Equipment Company WLL. MAP Rental offers a wide range of equipment with different divisions such as earth moving equipments, crane and lifting equipment, generator, and air compressor division, watering and tanker services, trucks and heavy equipment division. Mobility of machineries are often a serious concern for industrial project managers. MAP Transportation Division has the perfect solution. With its wide range of trucks, low bed tankers and trailers, MAP provides contractors with a diverse rental solution at an affordable rate. Our equipment rental related solution provision capability, strong and well-maintained equipment fleet, operating and technical service support and well-established relationship, visionary leadership along with incredibly talented and committed employees, unfolds the success story of MAP by rendering exceptional customer service. MAP has all the missionaries with third-party certificate and safety requirements as per the rules. Our drivers and operators are having valid operating license and third-party certificates to meet safety concern. The best part of MAP in the service sector: 24 hours breakdown service and guarantee replacement facility. MAP is expanding its horizons growth with power, excellence, in equipment rental industry. MAP, the most reliable equipment company in the Kingdom of Bahrain.